Hello everybody, ignore the hat hair. Welcome back to the American Food Georgian Hub.
Today, Domino's.
Wow, they had some very interesting things on the Domino's menu, so we figured we would try them. All the new things, or a couple of the new things that they have on the menu. If it's super good, maybe we'll get some of the other ones. If it's not as good, we'll be like, oh, maybe not. But story time first. We ordered this thing on a thing in Georgia that's really popular, a food delivery app. You can get food with almost like no delivery fee at all, and it's super cheap. So they usually deliver it. They say it's gonna come in 20 to 45 minutes.
They track the people usually too.
Yeah, so you know exactly where they are, where they're going. We've tried it twice now, and unfortunately both times they have been very, very late, and our Airbnb happens to be in the middle of an apartment complex, so they can never find where we are.
We have like an actual Domino's delivery person, so we couldn't track the person.
Yes.
And we put it out in front, like right on the side of the street. It's a pretty self-explanatory spot. It took an hour and a half almost, and if you read right here, free delivery in 30 minutes.
Domino's.
They didn't actually pick up the order until like an hour and like 10 minutes in.
Yeah, I had to contact the Glovo support person, and they were like, oh man, sorry about that. They said they're gonna pick up the order in 4 minutes. And then they're like, we'll give you a little compensation on the side. They gave us 3 gel, which is the equivalent of $1. A grand total about $23 for all these pizzas.
It's a decent value. It's definitely a little more than like a Georgian meal would cost on average for about this much food, maybe. That's a lot of pizza. Yeah, that is a lot of pizza.
I'd say in the US this is repping, you're getting up to 40 unless there's a Domino's deal. Sometimes they got those deals where you can get a bunch of pizzas. But yeah.
Frack is that?
That was our experience with Glovo. Sitting out in the cold for an hour and a half, waiting in front of a grocery store for a man that almost drove right past us. Okay, so we got the like extra mega pepperoni pizza with something called a duplex cheddar crust.
Duplex.
Let's see.
Cheddar.
We don't know exactly if this is duplex, but the reveal. It's the 4 cheese with the mozzarella stick crust.
Okay, so it's that one.
So mozzarella stick crust apparently means thick stuffed crust. So we got 4 cheeses, and there should be some sausage in there, but I'm not seeing any sausage.
I am not seeing sausage either, to be honest.
It's lukewarm. Those are some nub pieces. They're like short and wide.
And they got the big chunks of cheese. Oh, that is not very warm cheese.
Oh no. Yeah, they must have been sitting on the counter for a while. It seems like the delivery was a little bit. So this is supposed to have mozzarella, cheddar, gorgonzola, and feta.
And sausage, which we added to it.
Yeah.
But, you know, I don't.
Okay. Here we go. I'm not tasting any sausage.
I'm tasting a lot of cheese. Wow. Okay.
It tastes good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, that's some solid Domino's pizza.
That's so much better than normal Domino's, to be honest. There's just so much cheese.
Oh, once you hit the cheese chunks too.
Now onto the mozzarella stick crust.
Oh, that looks good.
Here we go.
Here, let me get a close up right there.
They got little like flakes inside of it. I don't think you can see it on that.
There's a shadow.
Look at there, there's some little flaker boys in there.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's some good crust. Wow, okay.
If it was warmer, it would be better.
That would be so good.
Next time, we have to drive there ourselves.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Wow.
That was good.
Domino's, okay.
Hoppin'. Number 1, let's rate it on a scale of Domino's pizzas.
Of Domino's pizzas? I mean, this has got to be the best Domino's pizza I've had, so.
I like sometimes I like Domino's pizzas, generally. I usually get them with extra cheese, so you really get that cheesy flavor. No, it's probably one of the top ones. There's some times where you get Domino's and you bite into it, you're like, oh my gosh, this is so good. And then other times you're like, this is not very good. It's very all over the place. All right, so next we have the pepperoni duplex crust.
This one's gonna be interesting. We got super pepperoni on this, hopefully. Too.
Oh wait, minus points for not having our sausage on it, Domino's.
Is there no fracking pepperoni? Okay, there is pepperoni.
What the heck?
That just looks like a pepperoni pizza.
This is not the, is this the duplex crust? This looks like the tortilla crust they were talking about. Cheddar duplex crust. Is it
Does duplex mean that there's 2 layers?
It very well could.
That looks very tortilla-esque to me.
I don't see where the cheddar comes in here.
I might see like a, no.
Oh, there is cheddar on the inside.
Okay, so.
Okay, so this is what duplex, they just have like a piece of like American cheese in the middle of 2 like tortillas.
That duplex made it sound like it's just getting loaded with
Yeah, but no, this is
closest.
something, oh boy. This is something very different. It's literally like a tortilla. They had a tortilla pizza, so this just must be 2 of them with cheese in the middle.
Oh,
Okay, a lot of pepperoni.
a lot. That's good. We got the super pepperoni. There's some good. Like there's layers for sure. Like when you bite in, you can.
This is pretty good.
Okay, I like this. I don't know how good it would be without the pepperoni though.
Very interesting. It's a weird, it's kind of like a thin crust pizza, but like,
It's got some more juice on the bottom.
yeah. Okay, that's not what I was expecting.
No, not at all. But I'm satisfied with that. Definitely like the other one a bit better. But this is still very good.
Yeah, that one's better, for sure. I'd probably eat that like a normal Domino's pizza.
Yeah, it's definitely it's a Domino's pizza.
I'm gonna get a drink.
I just got a chunk that was super hard in this. Like I bit and it just
Is it dough or was it a pepperoni bone?
might have just been like a burnt part of something.
Pepperoni bone. Okay, we also have this Georgian vanilla lemonade to quench our thirst during this trying time.
Yes, vanilla lemonade. It might be like cream soda because it's carbonated. That's the thing with these Georgian lemonades.
What the heck? That's not what I was expecting it to smell like.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, you're greasing.
Yeah, so a little context. That was my thumb that was holding the pizza.
Yeah, we definitely need to not touch anything while we eat this.
I would like to touch this napkin.
It has like a soap vanilla smell instead of like a food vanilla smell.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just full of soap. All right, let's try some Georgian lemonade.
Tastes exactly like it smells, but not soapy, really. I don't know how I feel about this. Wait.
I think I like it.
I know, that's what I think I like it.
Other than lemon, they've had some very strange flavors that kind of hit you in a weird way. You're like, what the?
Yeah, this one's weird too, because some of the drinks I get like carbonated vanilla ice cream, like the vanilla ice cream flavor. And then some of them I'm getting just like slight cream soda.
I have not gotten ice cream or cream soda. I don't know what it tastes like to me. Okay, the last thing we got here, I forgot what they're called. They're like Shinoki or something like that. They're tin foil.
We could have gotten super sticks at Ronnie's Pizza for much better value.
I mean, we could have definitely got super sticks.
Is that is this sauce for it?
No, those are a surprise for you. I got one extra thing. So these are the Shinoki or something like that. They're cinnamon, sugar, butter.
They don't look as appetizing as I thought they would.
No.
The picture made them look much better.
Okay, guess we've just both got to grab a middle piece. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of chocolate in there. This is what this mother looks like.
They are pretty stuffed. Ah!
Come on, focus, baby, focus.
What the heck?
Look at that. There's a lot of chocolate in there.
Yeah, this is a goober piece.
Here we go. It's very chocolatey.
Wow, so chocolatey.
Where's like the powdered sugar?
I don't see a single thing about her sugar on it, unless we just mix it into the chocolate sauce, which would make no sense. Wow.
It's good, but it's chocolatey.
As someone who normally likes super chocolatey things, this is, it's pushing it.
It's chocolatey. The super sticks that we had at Ronnie's had a lot less flavor.
Yeah, they're like just under what we wanted.
Yeah.
These are a bit
lot
too
of
much.
flavor. Okay. And now,
Oh my
the
god.
final thing that I got is a little surprise because they were like $1. I forgot what the full name was, but it's something cake. What the heck was it called? Like a mystic cake or something with an M.
There's something with an M on it.
Yeah, and it was just like MSCCP.
Oh. pretty small.
Yeah, they're very small.
What the heck?
What the? Wrapped in
It's like
tinfoil?
a piece of cheese.
It actually is cheese. But, oh,
Those things.
let's see.
So for those
It's like zebra cake. Oh, come on.
those chocolate sticks, the last bite I got literally had no chocolate in it. It was the crust and it had nothing.
Yeah, they seem to have like really good things, but they don't prepare them well all the time. These have little sections for us. Take your cube, sir.
Oh. Okay.
Cube in it. Look at that cube. It looks very chocolatey once again. Ooh, soft.
Very soft. That's good. Alright, let's see the flavor. It's like chocolate and dough to me.
Yeah, it's just kind of like a chocolate. It's kind of like a brick.
Yeah,
Not as soft.
Yeah, this is more chocolate.
It almost, like the way you bite into it, it almost feels like a fudge in a way. But then there's like cake inside. Hopefully you enjoyed. This is what you can get at a Georgian Domino's. Mozzarella stick crust, duplex cheddar, and chocolate stuff. And you can wait an hour and a half. Bye.